Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out the new world, new scenery, environment, movements, and controls, and what you can do here instead. So if you don't already know, you can adjust the scene or the virtual environment that you're in by pressing the left menu button. It's going to bring up this option and you can change the scenery. So we're just going to leave it here on Horizon Central for now. But you can move around different than what you could on the old virtual environments. With that left joystick, I'm able to literally walk around. I can point to a chair, sit in a chair, and I get up just by moving around again. You can rotate your view with the right joystick, and you can change these settings as well. If you go into your settings menu and on the left side scroll down to where you find world movement, this is where you can really customize your experience in your little new home here. Your movement style can change between slide and teleport. So right now we have it on slide, where I am able to walk around. The slide direction can be where you're facing or where your hand is facing. So if I have it where I'm facing and I press forward, I can move my head and I go in that direction. You can always just rotate your joystick though to move any certain direction. If you do where your hand is pointing, then it obviously is going to follow where your hand is pointing. The slide direction lock, that will just be so like if I am all of a sudden changing where I'm moving my face after I start moving, it will keep me in the initial direction that I started going. And the acceleration is just you move a little bit faster from later, once you get moving from the very beginning. If you go to teleport's kind of what we had with the old virtual environments, where you can just put either joystick, either the right controller or the left controller, to a spot and teleport over to it. And the style can be dash or instant. Dash, as you could probably see there, you kind of do a quick run over to it, where instant is just moving you right to that spot. So you can decide which one you want to do. I'm fine with either. I'll leave it on slide for now. Your rotation with that right controller, like I said, you can snap turn, you can change the degree, or you can just go smooth all the way. And then we have, actually let me go back to this, because then your turn style can also be instant or motion as well if you have it set on an angle. The comfort assistance, low, medium, or high. The higher you have it, the more of that tunnel vision it gives you, so you don't get quite as nauseous maybe, or you can turn it all the way off so there is none for you there. If you have it all the way off, these other little options won't be there for you, so let's turn it back to low here. Then you can turn on or off those different options for you there as well. So I know that they're trying to make these little home environments a lot more user-friendly. So thank you for watching this one. Check out my other MetaQuest tips. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.